I was starting to like you. False guardians do not mean false treasure. End this malformed thing's suffering and take from it that with which the Timekeeper imbued it. This is your judgment. This is your testimony. This is your execution. I knew you from the start. A worthy addition to our number, Vault Hunter. Now, add his strength to your own. A portion of his power, misplaced.
Another vault down.